friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm really glad you're here. If you're new, I hope you'll hit that subscribe button and that bell notification, and thanks for checking me out. Today we are doing a relaxing clean with me upstairs, and I'm going to start by tidying up my end table. I don't have a drawer, it's just a nightstand with a wire shelf, a decorative shelf on the bottom, so I have a wicker basket there that I keep the things that clutter up my nightstand. I keep them in that basket and just set it under. And then I'm going to start making the bed. I don't know about you guys, but I just always feel better when the bed is made. And then we're going to get some laundry started. So let's get moving. You guys, there's just two of us in this house. I don't understand where all this laundry comes from. I really don't. It's crazy. You can see Sophie there. She's staying at my feet. This is a migraine day. It's thunderstorming outside. She is terrified of thunder. And of course, the rain and the storms make my migraines worse. So we're both kind of struggling through this day today, and she's just sticking real close to me. I don't know if she's trying to comfort me or if she's trying to get comfort from me, but either way, we're just going to stick together and get through this mess together. That was in here when we purchased the townhome. It was not a high quality machine. and it finally just gave up the ghost after a couple of years. So this is a new one, high capacity with no agitator, and I love it. We did not replace the dryer at the same time because that dryer dries a full load of clothes in 30 minutes, and I'm not giving that up unless I absolutely have to. I'm just going to do a tidy on this bathroom. I don't like things cluttered and messy, and obviously this is both. It's not really dirty, and again, with the migraine, I can't really handle the smell of bathroom cleaning supplies. They're a much stronger, much harsher smell, and it's a much smaller space typically, so the smell bothers me a lot more. I hope you guys enjoyed this relaxing clean with me. Let me know if you'd like to see more of these. Thanks for hanging out with me. We'll talk soon.